Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, March 6, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 2 3/4 points at 27.88 3/4 per contract. All in all, when you look at the futures here, and I'm going to pull up the intraday action, you'll see that we've just had a really choppy session. This week, we've had some chop in the market as well. Last week, we did pull back a little bit. Today is also a very important anniversary date. It's going to mark the S&P 666.78 level. That was 10 years ago today. That was the S&P bottom. So again, we'll see how this all plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get to the charts here. Let's start off with ROST Stores, ROST, big retailer there. Stock is trading at $91.74. Closed at $94.16 yesterday. ROST Stores pulling back a bit after earnings. I don't really see anything terrible with the pattern. One level I will keep on the radar today, though, will be around $87.55, maybe $87.60. If the stock gets there, I like ROST Stores. And this is a stock I just sold the other day for a very nice profit, and we'll see how it plays out. If it gets down to that level, I will look to pick it up again. Let's take a look at DLTR, which is Dollar Tree. Stock is trading at $99 now, closed at $95.47. Briefly went above the 102 level, so good little pop there, but it has pulled back a bit. Again, we'll see how this plays out. That 102 level looks to be pretty good resistance, but if you get through there, a lot more upside in the cards. But right now, stock is pulling back. Nothing much to do. We will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. This is still in positive territory ahead of the open. Let's take a look at Abercrombie & Fitch, ANF. Stock is trading at $23.87. I'm going to try to have some levels ready to go for this one. Right off the bat, I see a really strong move here. But when you get to that 25 level, you're going to hit a little wall of resistance, and I'll have a gap level just above that. Next up, we want to take a look at Thor, THO. This is a recreational vehicle competitor to Winnebago. Stock right now is trading at $62 a share, closed at $64.58. So definitely a little down ticking, was worse. It has come back a bit. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll see how it plays out. Right now, I don't think there's much to do here, but we'll look at it in a little while. Next up, we have BJ Wholesale. That is trading at $27.88, closed at $26.62. So good little pop there. I have a hard time seeing this stock go significantly above the 29 level, and you can see that's where it got to this morning. Again, it hasn't been around all that long. If you take a look at a daily chart and you just roll it back, the stock's only been around since June of last year. So we don't have a lot of time on the clock. But good action for the stock. We're not going to take anything away from it. But again, very tough to see it get above 29 at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Chico's. CHS is another retailer here. Stock is trading at $5.35, closed at $6.04. Ouch. That's a pretty good haircut. Nothing I would do with this name. Let's take a look at Brown-Forman. BF.B is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $50.92. Watch this one once the opening bell rings. I'm not seeing anything to do yet. It closed at $51.49. So you got a little down ticking, but we'll see how this does once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at URBN, Urban Outfitters. Stock is trading at $29.50, closed at $30.35. So we'll keep this one on the radar today. I still think there's a fair amount of support around 27.25, maybe 27.30, somewhere there, but nothing I'm looking to do at the moment. So we'll keep that on the radar. Here's another mover here today, Ambarella, AMBA. This is gotten a pretty good bid this morning. It's trading at $44.40, closed at $40.54. So good little pop there. I think the stock probably hits a little wall around the 45 level. So we'll keep it on the radar. Not much I would do with it here, but I will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We have another one out here, TripAdvisor, TRIP. I'm not sure of the news on this. Stock is trading at $50.45, closed at $52.32. So a pretty good little haircut there. I'm going to be looking at this one around the $47.50 level today. Keep that on the radar. That should be a very good level. Let's take a look at VMware. That was downgraded. VMW right now trading at $167.50, closed at $172.69. So you got a little bit of a sell-off in that name on a downgrade. I'm not seeing a level yet that I love, but we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Teva Pharmaceuticals. I believe this was downgraded as well. Stock is trading at 1651, closed at 1673. Anytime this stock gets any momentum, it seems to get knocked down. So again, be careful with Teva Pharmaceuticals at this stage of the game. I just don't see a whole lot to do there. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up by about 75 to 80 cents to $1,285.50 an ounce. I don't think we're going to make much out of gold today. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. This has been pulling back the last week or so, and again, we'll see how it plays out by the close. Next up, we have crude oil down 55 cents to $56 and a penny a barrel. So all in all, crude oil pulling back as well. If you don't have a crude oil futures chart, take a look at the USO. That'll give you the movement pretty accurately. That's trading at around $11.70 this morning, down from $11.81. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. Another solid day in the chat room yesterday. And again, we're going to look to keep this going really right into the end of 2019. So get ready. We've got lots of moving parts out here, lots of stocks in the news, lots of equities to look at, lots of equities to trade. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody here, I'm going to leave it short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.